Your engagement ring tells the story of your love. Your wedding band completes it. Together, they become one of the most meaningful symbols you'll ever wear. Whether you are searching for jewelry near me, exploring luxury jewelry stores, or discovering timeless jewelry in Arcadia, understanding how to match your wedding band to your engagement ring will make your set look as harmonious as your relationship feels. Why it's worth getting the match right. Your wedding band and engagement ring will share space on your finger every day. They should complement each other in both design and comfort. When paired correctly, the two rings appear to belong together, enhancing each other's beauty instead of competing for attention. If you've been visiting jewelry stores in Arcadia, or even the nearest jewelry boutiques, you'll notice that professional jewelers put a lot of thought into how each band interacts with various ring styles. The right pairing makes the set feel balanced, timeless, and effortlessly elegant. Step 1. Study your engagement ring. First, before you begin shopping for a wedding band, take a good look at your engagement ring. Check the setting. Is it a solitaire, halo, or three-stone design? The setting determines how closely a band can sit beside it. Notice the diamond shape. Round, oval, and princess cuts all pair differently. Pay attention to the metal color. Matching metals creates a cohesive, refined appearance. If your ring has been worn for a while, consider bringing it to an Arcadia jewelry repair specialist. A professional cleaning or inspection from a local Arcadia jewelry repair shop can make the diamonds sparkle like new again before you start trying on new bands. Step 2. Explore band styles that complement your ring classic bands. Plain gold or platinum band is perfect for those who love simplicity. It creates a timeless look that never feels overdone. Classic bands also work well with detailed engagement rings, balancing intricate designs with clean lines. You'll find a variety of elegant options at the best jewelry stores or jewelry stores in Arcadia. Pave bands, tiny diamonds line the surface of the band, adding sparkle without stealing attention from your main stone. Pave bands are ideal if you're shopping at local jewelry and Arcadia boutiques that specialize in handcrafted detail. Contoured or notched bands. If your engagement ring has a low-sitting center stone or a unique setting, a contoured band curves slightly tonustal against it. This design creates a snug, cohesive look. If you can't find the perfect fit, many Arcadia jewelry repair experts can custom adjust the curvature or design one from scratch. Eternity bands feature diamonds or gemstones all the way around. They symbolize everlasting love and bring unmatched brilliance to your hand. When you visit jewelry stores in Arcadia, try on a few eternity bands next to your engagement ring. You'll instantly see how they elevate the overall look. Step 3. Match or mix. Finding your style matching sets. If you prefer a seamless, coordinated look, matching metals and diamond details is your best choice. Many jewelry stores offer sets designed to fit perfectly together. A match set looks refined and polished, perfect for brides who appreciate tradition. Contrasting styles if you're more creative or love modern flair, mixing styles can look incredible. Pair rose gold with white gold, or combine a sleek solitaire with a detailed vintage-style band. Skilled jewelers at an Arcadia jewelry repair shop can help ensure the two pieces still align comfortably, even when styles differ. Step 4. Prioritize comfort and fit. Since you'll wear these rings daily, comfort is key. The rings should sit flush without pinching or rotating. When visiting jewelry stores in Arcadia, don't be shy about trying on different widths or profiles. Ask the jeweler to show you how each band feels when paired with your engagement ring. If your rings shift too much, an Arcadia jewelry repair professional can adjust the sizing or recommend soldering them together. The result is a comfortable, secure fit that feels made just for you. Step 5. Personalized IT wedding band is more than just a piece of jewelry. It's a chapter of your love story. Personal touches make it unforgettable. Engrave your initials, wedding date, or a phrase. Add a hidden gem or birthstone. Choose a textured finish or unique metal mix. If you're searching for jewelry near me or visiting jewelry in Arcadia, look for jewelers who offer customization services. Many local artisans specialize in engraving or bespoke design that makes your rings truly yours. Why shopping in person beats online? In a digital world, it's easy to click Add to Cart. But when it comes to wedding bands and engagement rings, in-person shopping is priceless. You can see the sparkle for yourself. No photo compares to how a diamond reflects light in real life. You can try before you buy. The feel of the rings on your hand matters. Seeing how they pair side by side helps you decide faster. You can negotiate the best price. Local jewelry stores in Arcadia are often open to flexible pricing, especially when purchasing both rings together. You get more options. The nearest jewelry boutiques often carry exclusive collections and handcrafted designs not available online. You gain professional insight. Jewelers who specialize in Arcadia jewelry repair and design can give you honest guidance about what fits your style and lifestyle. In short, buying in person ensures you find rings that look and feel as perfect as the love they represent. Keeping your rings beautiful. After the wedding. Once you've found your perfect match, caring for it properly keeps it shining for life. Get regular cleanings. Schedule professional maintenance at an Arcadia jewelry repair shop at least twice a year. Inspect the settings. Jewelers offering jewelry repair around me services can check that your stones stay secure. Store with care. Keep your rings in separate compartments or soft pouches to avoid scratches. Insure your jewelry. Protecting your investment is always worth it. By visiting local Arcadia jewelry repair experts regularly, you ensure that your rings stay as brilliant as your marriage itself. How to choose the right jeweler. When searching for jewelry near me or visiting jewelry stores, look for jewelers who combine expertise with personal attention. The best jewelry in Arcadia shops provides both. Here's what to look for. Certified gemologists who can explain quality and grading clearly, custom design services that bring your vision to life, transparent pricing, and genuine care for your satisfaction in-house Arcadia jewelry repair shop services for maintenance and restoration. Whether you're customizing a wedding band, restoring a vintage ring, or searching for that perfect sparkle, choosing the right jeweler makes all the difference. Dorano Jewelry is where every love story shines. When it comes to quality, craftsmanship, and care, Dorano Jewelry stands above the rest. Known for exceptional designs and personalized service, we're one of the top-rated jewelry stores in Arcadia. At Dorano Jewelry, you'll find everything from matching engagement rings and wedding bands to expert Arcadia jewelry repair and custom creations. Our in-house artisans can design bespoke pieces that reflect your love story while keeping your rings flawless for years to come. Shopping in person at Dorano Jewelry lets you experience every sparkle, feel every texture, and explore collections you simply won't find online. You can try on different settings, compare styles, and even discuss special pricing options directly with our expert team. So if you're tired of endlessly searching for jewelry near me or jewelry repair around me, make your way to Dorano Jewelry in Arcadia. Our friendly professionals will guide you through finding the perfect match, not only for your rings, but for your heart. Visit Dorano Jewelry today to explore elegant designs, experience personalized service, and see why we're the trusted name for fine jewelry in Arcadia and beyond.